Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learned root part of a plant, right? Two types of roots. One is taproot, another one is fibrous root, right? In this class, I am going to teach you shoot part of a plant, okay? Friends, all of you see here, this is the part below the ground level is called root part. Part above the ground level is called shoot part, okay? Shoot part consists of flowers, fruit, stem, leaf, node, internode and buds, okay? In this class, I am going to teach you stem part of a plant, okay? All of you see here, this is the stem part of a plant. Students, the stem grows above the ground and usually holds the plant upright. It bears branches and leaves, flowers and fruit, and it holds the leaves up so they get plenty of sunlight. Okay. Stem forms the main axis. Okay, all of you see here, this is the main axis that connects the root system with the rest of the plant body. Okay, this connects this root system with the rest of all these plants body. Okay, and it grows away from the soil. Okay, this root part is in the soil, right? Stem grows away from the soil and towards sunlight, right? And this stem may be branched, right, in trees and all. In some small plants, stem may be unbranched also, okay? And the leaves grow on the stem, okay? See here, the leaves grow on the stem of a definite points, okay? All of you see here, these are all definite points, okay? This point is called nodes, okay? The part of the stem between the two successive nodes, okay? All of you see here, this is one node, this is one node, right? The part of the stem between the two successive nodes is called the internodes. And the angle, okay, all of you see here, this is one angle, right? Okay, students, all of you see here, this is angle, right? Okay, the angle formed between the base of a leaf, okay, this is the base of a leaf, okay. The angle formed between the base of a leaf and the stem, okay, this is stem, is termed as a leaf axil, okay, it is called leaf axil. Most of the smaller plants have soft and green stem, okay, all of you see here, this is the very soft and green stem, okay, and such stems are called herbaceous stems. The hard and woody stem of trees is called trunk. Okay, all of you see here. This is the hard and woody, right? Stem of a tree. This is called tree trunk. Okay. The outer covering of a woody stem. Okay, all of you see here. This is the outer covering of a woody stem in some trees. Okay, this is called bark. Okay, bark of a tree. Students, all of you see here, this is the young developed shoot. Okay, this is called bud. Students, all of you see here, the buds which grows into new shoots are called vegetative buds, and the buds, okay, which grows into flowers are called floral buds, okay. And this shoot has the bud that's it tip, okay, this is called the apical bud or terminal bud. And the buds, okay, buds in the axis of a leaves, okay, all of you see here, buds, okay, buds in the axils of the leaves are called axillary bud or lateral buds. they give rise to lateral branch. Students, all of you see here, these are the lateral branches. Okay. And the main functions of the stem are, the stem passes food and water to all parts of the plant. Okay. The stem passes food and water to all parts of a plant, and it carries water and minerals from roots and food from leaves to all parts of the plant. Okay. Students, now let's watch small video about stem.
The stem is the aerial part on which buds, leaves, flowers and fruits are born. It forms the main axis that connects the root system with the rest of the plant body. It grows away from the soil and towards sunlight. The stem may be branched or unbranched. The leaves grow on the stem at definite points called nodes. The part of the stem between the two successive nodes is called internodes. The angle formed between the base of a leaf and the stem is termed as leaf axil. Most of the smaller plants have soft and green stems. Such stems are called herbaceous stems. Example, leucas. The hard and woody stem of trees is called trunks. The outer covering of a woody stem is called its bark. Example, mango, guava, etc. A young underdeveloped shoot called bud is present at the tip of a stem. Buds may give rise to flowers or new shoots. Buds which grow into new shoots are called vegetative buds. Buds which grow into flowers are called floral buds. A young shoot has a bud at its tip. This is called terminal bud or apical bud. The buds in the axils of leaves are called axillary buds or lateral buds. They give rise to lateral branches.
Some plants like potato, ginger and onion are underground stems. Okay. And some plants like the sugar cane and potato store extra food in their stem. Okay. We eat the stem of these plants also. Students, this is all about stem. Okay. In this class we have learned stem part of a plant. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.